Here at saferwholesale.com, what we're going to do here today is assemble the 70cc Coolster dirt bike 4-stroke from saferwholesale.com. First off, tools that you're going to need: a number 6 Allen key, a number 7 Allen key, a 14mm socket, and a 17mm socket. And you can always use a power tool to get that set up easier and get the dirt bike put together a little bit faster. Couple things we're gonna do: we're gonna basically fully assemble this, put on the front tire, the handlebar. You got your front fender there. Not too many different parts to actually assemble on this. It's fairly easy, but we're gonna run through the steps so that way when you get the dirt bike, it's very, very easy to get going. First off, always use your milk crate. As you see here, dirt bike's up in the air on the milk crate. If you don't have a milk crate, it makes it very, very difficult and tough. First thing first, we're going to go ahead and put on the handlebars, which everything's intact already. You've got your brake, your throttle, and all that. Now the first thing is your plastic piece right here in the front always goes on first before you actually mount down the handlebars. And what size Allen is this?
This is the 7.
7, number 7 Allen key right there. Just, and always go crisscross so that way you can kind of get your bolts tightened evenly. And there you have it. That's all for those. As far as starting the dirt bike here, this is run, this is kill, this is run, this is kill. And then here you've got your twist throttle right here, and then your brake. We're gonna come over here really quick and show you the carburetor and a couple of different uses here. You've got your petcock here. This is the fuel. This is to the on position. This way would be off. This is on. You've got your fuel filter. Always make sure that your fuel filter is facing the correct way. If not, you're not going to get any gas into the carburetor. Over here, you see your gold lever. This is up is choke, down is run. Again, up choke, down run. And there is a gold screw. This is your air filter here. If for some reason when you're starting the dirt bike and you can't get it started with ease when you're kick-starting it, always put some starting fluid in there. I'm going to show you some of the starting fluid. This is what we use here. Very, very easy to get it started. Just a regular can. You can buy this at your local gas station or AutoZone. And then one other thing we're going to show you with the carburetor is the idle fuel adjustment screw, which is right here. As you can see, it's a gold screw, and you would turn it to the right to make the idle go up and to the left to make the idle go down. Next, what we're gonna do is show you how to assemble the front fender here. So you've got and it's gonna go through the fender. There's one nut there, and it's Allen key number 6. So we'll tighten those down. Next, after getting your front fender on, you're gonna put the front tire on. So as you can see here, you've got your long nut with your washer here, and then you've got your spacer, and then your other nut. And as far as the tire, there's only one way that it can go, and the drum goes on the left-hand side. And it's sometimes a little bit tricky to get that on. As you can see, we're using the milk crate. Makes it 10 times easier. Otherwise, it's very, very difficult. And we're still having a little bit of a difficult time getting that front tire on. And the spacer, we'll show you. Goes on the other side here. Sometimes want to use a hammer or a mallet. And then the spacer goes on the opposite side of the drum. Put that through. Put your nut on there. And the size of the nut, 17 millimeter. Tighten that down like so, and there you go. There's your front tire. Very, very simple. Very, very easy. And then lastly, there's 2 plastic pieces that cover up the front fork there. And those are just Allen number 6 screws. And there's a total of 4 of them, 2 for each side. And that's it. As far as this dirt bike goes, it's very, very simple, easy to put together. As you can see, we put the whole thing together in a matter of minutes. So it might take you double time anyway, 15, 20, 30 minutes at most to get it going. Very easy. You take it out of the crate, you put it on a milk crate, and then you assemble it. It's pretty quick. If you have any questions, give us a call, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. Visit saferwholesale.com/support videos for other videos on how to start your items, start your product, your scooters, your go-karts, your ATVs. We have so much more information on there. And again, saferwholesale.com/support videos. And if you have any questions, give us a call Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time, 866-606-3991. Thanks for watching.